for many years. I was also shocked when I arrived here this season and these machines were flying. I witnessed one accident and actually filmed it when they crashed into the sea, and there's been another accident. A friend of mine was almost hit. So it's not just the fact that they disturb the peace, it's also that they're very dangerous. And you know, a beach is not an airport. People are coming here for quiet and for peace. Mandrem has always been a very peaceful place where we come for yoga, for meditation. And we just really want to keep it like that for everybody and for generations to come. And we really hope it can happen.
I brought a group. We are about 24 people here practicing yoga. We have yoga class between 4:45 and 6, and it's almost impossible to teach because of this. We're doing some meditation, pranayama, deep relaxation, and these things are flying around and making, unfortunately, too much noise. It's not the usual tranquil atmosphere as it usually is here around this area.
With respect, before approaching this view directly, we had a Gram Sabha. I am also from Mandrem village. We had a Gram Sabha, and in the Gram Sabha, the Honorable Sarpanch has accepted that whatever they have done is illegal, and there they will revoke that NOC issued by this. So, to pacify the public, they passed the resolution and they revoked the NOC issued by the village panchayat to the village to this paragliding activities. Okay. So in this respect, in this respect, it's our respectful submission that the operation which is which is going on this beach is totally illegal because panchayat has not given any consent to you.
When we spoke to the Goa Tourism Development Corporation, they said that the Gram Panchayat's permission does not, the question of Gram Panchayat permission does not arise at all. And they gave us all the clearances, all the required papers, permissions, etc. And then they asked us to start the activity. The Chief Minister of the state came here and then inaugurated the activity. Right? And we in fact have not requested the Gram Panchayat. We, as the operators here, have not requested the Gram Panchayat to give us the NOC.
Yeah.
We have not asked for the NOC because as per our understanding, as per the papers that we have, it is not required at all. So that's where the issue stands at the moment. As doing what we are asked to do, we are earning revenue for the government of Goa, and we have taken all the required permissions as per whatever law that is required.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever permissions we are supposed to get, we have got the permissions, and then as per those clearances and permissions, we have been operating. Now, since you have pointed out certain objections and certain issues that have been occurring here, we will definitely go back to Goa Tourism Development Corporation and then ask us to resolve it amicably for us. That's what we can do.
Yeah, and till that time, you will not fly any parachute.
Till that
Okay, then finish the problem.